covered in pollen.
We're doing a camera check. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be finishing up the gauge install. So this is gonna be a very short video. It's literally we're just putting this in here into the car so I can see both of my gauges. Unfortunately, only one gauge is gonna go in there because my other gauge that I only have a boost gauge, but the boost gauge is a 60 millimeter. This only holds a 52, but a 52 is what the E85 gauge has. So we're gonna put the E85 gauge in there so I can always look at it and it's not dangling in the car. Go ahead and put that in. Normal. Panels off. This one. That one. And then this one. So all you do is you just pull down. Oh, I gotta move that. Down and then up. And then don't forget to unplug this. So all we have to do is just transfer this little speaker. So now you just plug everything in. So you take and plug these together. Perfect. That won't be like that. I'll put that here because I want both the gauges right here, like that. This. Like it never happened. All right, yep. So that's about it. So now when I turn on the car, that's how I'm gonna be seeing stuff. This boost gauge is getting moved, so if I'm getting a small one, so they're both will be gauges right there, and then there won't be nothing right there. So that concludes the part 2 of the boost gauge or the E85 sensor. That is the final part I needed. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you could believe it, you can achieve it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. The wheel setup video is coming. I'm working on it. It's just taking fucking forever. Right now I'm just so packed with stuff, but it's coming. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.